Deactivate Instagram on iPhone or phone step by step. Now, even though I'm showing you this procedure on an Android phone, the layout for Instagram app will be the same on iPhones or any other iOS devices as well. So not to worry, the tutorial can be applied to even Android and iOS users. Launch the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and go to the option Account Center. Now from here, go to Personal Details, followed by Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion and select your Instagram account. Choose the option Deactivate Account, which will already be selected by default, and scroll down and just tap on the Continue button. Now here you'll see whatever access that you're going to lose after deactivating your account, then tap the Continue option, and lastly you have to simply enter your password to confirm the changes. And anytime you want to reactivate in the future, you can simply enter the same password to reactivate it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.